Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is a Mouteen salmon plate haul. I get these off of Aliexpress. So this is 2 orders in one. I thought I only had 1 order, but no, this is 2 in 1 and I have an order on the way. So well, let's just get straight into it. So this is the first one. So this one is a Disney one, so you've got like Mickey heads and you've got some princesses down here, you've got Tinkerbell. Look at these Mickey hands, how cute are they? So I thought this one was really cool with all the different Mickey heads on it. I thought it was really cool. So that is 09. I don't know if I showed these, I can't remember. If I have, I do apologise. I don't think I have though. Anyway, so this is a number 10. So this is a whole bunch of different skulls. I quite like this one down here. I don't know if you can really make that out. Oh, you can't now. So yeah, so it's a bunch of different skulls on this one. And I just thought it was really cool. I like this one. I will post pictures at the end because it's quite difficult. So that is number 10. I also ordered number 11, which is a star sign one. It's always handy to have them, and I like that they've got the ones written underneath, the words written underneath which ones they are, and then you've got these ones. So you've got lots of different symbols to choose from on here, which I think is really cool. So yeah, I like that. Really cool. That's number 11. Number 12 is Harry Potter plate. So yeah, it's a bunch of Harry Potter stuff. I don't think I have very many Harry Potter ones, so I thought, oh well, I'll pick this one up because then if any Harry Potter stuff comes up, I'll be able to do it. So yeah, so I'm not really a Harry Potter fan, but I do know what some of them are. Obviously I've seen the movies, but I'm sure if there's Harry Potter fans out there, they'll probably tell me which is which anyway. So yeah, so it's that one. So that's 12. And then we have number 13, which is this one, which is like, would you say it's origami? Yeah, I'd say it's origami. So you have a bunch of different animals on here. All different ones. There's so many different ones on here. You even got a pig. Dolphin, wolf, whale, panda, giraffe, deer. Yeah, you've got a bunch of different ones on there. So that is number 13, and then number 14 is a letter one. So you have how many different scripts? Four, five. 4 different scripts, and then you have larger numbers and smaller numbers, which is really good. So I really like that, and they're different sizes as well, so it's good to have one with multiple different ones on it. So it's number 14. Let me just get the second order. So this is the second order. So this is another star sign one, so it's different to the other one, but I really like this one as well. So again, you've got the celestials, is that what they're called? And then you have the bigger images. I like these stars across the middle as well, they're nice. And then you have the symbols as well, and the pictures. That's another one. So that's number 51. And then plate number 52 is this one. That's cool, I like that. So yeah, there's a bunch of different ones on here. I just thought it was really cool. I really liked it. So yeah, that's number 52. And then 53 is a flower one. So we have a bunch of different flowers on this one, which I think is really nice. All different ones. Huh. What's glove? I like how they're just like solid images on here. So you could get really fancy with your colours, or just get fancy with your base and just put just a plain colour over the top, which is really nice. And I like the variety, and you've got different sizes on here as well. So yeah, that's that one. That's number 53. 54 is an alien one. So I thought this one was quite cool. I haven't got many with these alien heads on, so I thought it'd be really cool to have one in my collection, which is just different alien heads. Little angel one. One with a bow, one in a sun. Look at these two in a spaceship. How cute are they? All sorts of different ones on there. Little flower one. Yeah, so you get a bunch of different ones on there. Well, we are here. So yes, that's number 54. And then there's number 55. So this has got all different stuff on it. Never will be, never will be, never was. And it's got love, and we've got like flames and snakes, lips, got a Mickey hand. Yeah, you've got lots of different ones on here, and you get butterfly as well. Too late. I don't know. Empty. Hell yes. So yeah, that's number 55. And also number 56, which is big letters. But yeah, I like that. Especially if you just want just a single letter on the nail, just on its own. So I've got lots of plates with lots of different letters on now. But it's number 56, so I've got to get it. And you've got, yeah, the numbers as well again. So that is number 56. And we have 57, which is CBD. So it's a cannabis plate. So, made into a heart. I just thought, well, I think I only have really stickers, nail stickers with this on. Oh, actually, they're here. These ones. They're the stickers that I've got. So it's good to have a plate as well. So yeah, you get a bunch of different ones on there. I don't know what the flamencos are all about. I've no idea. But they are on there. So that is number 57. And then we have number 59, which is like a Disney one. This is Cinderella. So, a dream is a wish your heart makes. So you have two different ones and they both say the same. I can't really read what the others say. But yeah, I thought this one was quite cool. And I don't really have many with Cinderella on either. So that is number 59. We have number 62, which is Aladdin. So you have Jasmine, Aladdin on here. You've got the genie. You've got Jafar on here. Is he on here? One, I think. There. But I do have another plate with him on. Oh no, there's two. So yeah, and I mean you've got Jasmine on the carpet, you've got the monkey, I can't remember the name of the monkey. But yeah, I think it's really cool. Yeah, I really like that. So that is number 62, and we have 63, which is Beauty and the Beast. So I thought this one was really nice as well, because I don't have many sort of Disney plates really, and these are really affordable. So and they're more sort of in my sort of budget, I suppose, really. So it's handy that you can get these quite cheap, and they're good quality plates as well. Nothing wrong with the quality or whatsoever. So yeah, so they're really good. So yeah, so you have, it's the teapot, and that lot on here, yeah, there. Yeah, I really like that. I like this one. That's nice. So yeah, so you have Beauty and the Beast, and then we have number 65, which is obviously Tinkerbell. So a bunch of different Tinkerbells, and you've got a couple of Peter Pan on here as well. Because obviously it's a Peter Pan one. I like this one in the Mickey head, that's nice. So yeah, I like that one too. Super cute. So that's number 65. Sorry. And then we have number 66, which is The Little Mermaid. My favourite, yeah, I think my favourite Disney film. Oh, I watched it so much when I was younger. Oh, I still have the the proper video, you know, the video cassettes. What do you call them? VCR tapes. I've still got that. So yeah, this is Little Mermaid. So you have Ariel, Flounder. Is Sebastian on here? Yep, yeah, Sebastian. Is Ursula on here? I can't see. I don't want to take too long kind of looking. Anyway, yeah, I've got a plate with her on anyway, so lucky enough. I can't see her. I'll have to have a proper look. But yeah, so when I came across this, I was like, oh, I've got to have it. So I ordered it straight away. So yeah, this is the Little Mermaid. So that is plate 66. And also ordered plate 67, which is Pocahontas. So I didn't have any Pocahontas plates. I think I've got a couple of plates with her on, like the princess ones from Mundaunus, but it's nice to have a variety plate of the same kind of thing. So yeah, so this is the Pocahontas one. I don't know if I've watched Pocahontas. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I thought it would be good to have one of these in, and the images aren't massive. They're quite a decent size actually. So yeah. So yeah, that's all Pocahontas. 2 more to go. So we have Sleeping Beauty. So obviously you've got her on it. I can't really see in the viewfinder really. So yeah, so you have the little I can't think what they're called. Oh, I'm so tired, I can't think what they're called. You know what I mean anyway. So yeah, so I picked this one up as well because I thought it was pretty cool. So yeah, so that is number 68, and then the last one is this one. I'm assuming this is some kind of brand or something, I think. I don't know, maybe you guys can tell me, or I'll just have a look online. But I got it because it's with the numbers. But it's got horses on, which is good because I haven't got many horses. So yeah, I quite like this one as well. So yeah. Yeah, it's cool. So yeah, so they are the stamping plates. I do have another order that I placed today. So it will be here soon, and I'm excited for that. I can't wait to show you what is in that order. So yeah, so I will post pictures at the end, just because I know with like the reflection off the plates, like on my phone, I can see it. So I don't know how distracting it is for you guys. So I will post pictures at the end. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on these plates. Do you have this brand yourself? What are your thoughts on it? I really like this brand. I have quite a lot now, and even more coming. I have another 14, 15 plates coming. I can't remember. Anyway. Let me know your thoughts down below. I will post pictures at the end, and thank you everybody so much for watching today and all your continued support. As always, it really means a lot to me, and if it's your first time here, have a look around, see what you think. If it is something that you like, yeah, join me and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up so I know you do like this video, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.